Get noticed in this 2008 Mercedes-Benz SLK 350. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, a CD stacker, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Memory settings put you back in the right place every time. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.